Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick little update on, pretty sure it was my last video. It was a video about some gold material that I was hoarding. It was like a small little can, kind of like this. I had like two of these cans and maybe another similar receptacle, let's say, of gold plated pins and connectors. I'd sent them out about, let's say 4 months ago, and I just got my results back. So if you want to go look at how much gold material I had and compare to what you might get, I got about 1.5 to 2 grams of gold. It's not 100% confirmed, but the guy who did it for me said it was close to 2 grams. So we're talking about close to $100 in gold out of the two small tin cans I had that I just showed you. And like I said, you can just go back to my previous video and look it up. So it should give you a good idea of how much gold you can get out of just plain old scrap. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on that. And yeah, like, subscribe, comment. I try to reply as quickly as possible to messages and all of that stuff. So yeah, hopefully I'll have another video soon enough. And sorry about my eyes if they're wandering or anything. I'm still not used to videotaping myself personally, so I don't have too many of these videos. So I'll get another video out as soon as possible. Talk to you guys soon.